In this A2 Hosting VPS review video, I'm going to be doing a complete review of A2 Hosting VPS Hosting, going over everything from the pricing, plans, features, security, performance and uptime, and customer support. Also providing you with an A2 Hosting VPS discount that would get you up to 66% off Unmanaged VPS Hosting or up to 53% off Managed VPS Hosting. The discount is automatically applied. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the A2 Hosting VPS discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you are receiving commission from A2 Hosting at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome A2 Hosting VPS discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit the A2 Hosting VPS Managed VPS Hosting page. A2 Hosting offers a Managed VPS hosting service for as low as $35.99 a month and an Unmanaged VPS hosting service for as low as $2.99 a month. A2 Hosting was launched in 2003, and the hosting provider is built for speed. A2 Hosting has over 110,000 active services with customers in 224 countries, territories where people choose A2 Hosting. When it comes to A2 Hosting and its VPS hosting services, A2 Hosting VPS plans offer faster performance with Turbo, SSD VPS Hosting Solutions, developer-friendly, 99.9% uptime commitment, free account migration, free SSL Certificate, 24/7 365 customer support, and Power of BMD Server at lower cost. With A2 Hosting, you can choose between Managed VPS Hosting and Unmanaged VPS Hosting. This gives you the option to have an easy cPanel control panel versus command line management, available root access versus full root access, pre-installed CloudLinux OS versus Barious Linux Distribution Choices, manual versus automatic backups and updates. Now let's go over what Unmanaged VPS Hosting is and what Managed VPS Hosting is and the differences. The main difference between Managed and Unmanaged VPS Hosting is the level of control and support offered. With Managed VPS Hosting, the hosting provider takes care of server management tasks, including software installation, updates, security, monitoring, backups, and troubleshooting. Little to no technical expertise is required from your end. The hosting provider handles most server-related tasks. Managed VPS Hosting is typically more expensive due to the additional support and management services provided. Managed VPS Hosting is best for users who want a hands-off approach, focusing on running their website or applications rather than managing server maintenance. When it comes to Unmanaged VPS Hosting, you have full control over the server. This includes choosing which software, security measures, and configurations to apply, offering greater flexibility. It'll require a good understanding of server administration as you're responsible for installing, updating, securing, and troubleshooting your server. Unmanaged VPS Hosting is generally less expensive since it doesn't include management support from the hosting provider. Unmanaged VPS Hosting is best for experienced users or businesses with an IT team capable of managing and customizing the server as per specific requirements. Here are some key differences in A2 Hosting's VPS Managed and Unmanaged VPS Hosting services. With A2 Hosting Unmanaged VPS Hosting, you can configure your custom server. You'll have command line management, full root access, different Linux distributions, and full control over manual backups and updates, including security. Complete control over operating system updates and patches. With A2 Hosting Managed VPS Hosting, it's 100% worry-free server management. You'll have a user-friendly cPanel control panel, available root access, pre-installed and optimized for CloudLinux OS, fully automated backups and updates, managed server security, and daily automatic rebootless operation system updates. Now let's take a look at the A2 Hosting Managed VPS Hosting plans, going over the pricing of each. You'll see the discounted amount showing on the A2 Hosting Managed VPS Hosting plans. The Managed VPS plans consist of the Takeoff 4 plan, running as low as $35.99 a month. The price was $76.99 a month. The Takeoff 8 plan runs as low as $49.99 a month. The price was $104.99 a month. The Takeoff 16 plan runs as low as $59.99 a month. The price was $131.99 a month. The SOAR 8 plan runs as low as $54.99 a month. The price was $139.99 a month. The Source 16 plan runs as low as $79.99 a month. The price was $189.99 a month. And the Soar 32 plan runs as low as $99.99 a month. The price was $239.99 a month. Now let's go over the features of each A2 Hosting Managed VPS hosting plan and what they come with. All the Managed VPS plans come with free SSL certificates, free Immunify 360 security suite, free CloudLinux OS, free cPanel control panel, free and easy site transfer, free performance optimization, site acceleration with light speed, and a money-back guarantee. Each of the VPS plans come with managed server features as seen here. The Takeoff 4 plan comes with 4 GB of RAM, 150 GB of SSD storage, 2 TB transfer, and 2 cores. The Takeoff 8 plan comes with 8 GB of RAM, 250 GB SSD storage, 3 TB transfer, and 6 cores. The Takeoff 16 plan comes with 16 GB of RAM, 450 GB of SSD storage, 4 TB of transfer, and 8 cores. When it comes to the Soar VPS plans, these plans come with turbo features that the Takeoff plans don't come with. These features include up to 20 times faster page loads, improved conversion rates, higher SEO rankings, lower bounce rates, handle up to 9 times more traffic, 40% faster AMD EPYC CPU performance, 2 times faster to first byte, NVMe drive, 3 times faster read-write speed, Lightspeed Speed Enhanced Web Server, and Turbo Cache and APC OP Cache. The Soar 8 plan comes with 8 GB of RAM, 150 GB of NVMe SSD storage, 3 TB transfer, and 2 cores. The Soar 16 plan comes with 16 GB of RAM, 250 GB of NVMe SSD storage, 4 TB transfer, and 6 cores. The Soar 32 plan comes with 32 GB of RAM, 500 GB NVMe SSD storage, 5 TB transfer, and 8 cores. Now let's go over the backend and control panel of A2 Hosting. Once signed up, this is what the A2 Hosting control panel looks like. You can easily access different things within the panel. To access cPanel, you'll see the cPanel login button. Click this. You'll now be in the cPanel. Creating free email accounts is quick and easy. Just find the email section and click email accounts. If you want to install WordPress on A2 Hosting, you'll see WordPress A2 Optimize. Click this to go to the WordPress install page. From the cPanel page, you can also scroll down to the software section. Click WordPress A2 Optimize. From the cPanel page, if you type Soft Aculus in the search field, click the Soft Aculus Apps Installer. It'll pull up lots of ways you can create your website. When it comes to customer support, A2 Hosting offers 24/7 365 customer support via chat, via a support ticket, and the phone. A2 Hosting also offers a support knowledge base that has guides, tutorials, and answers to questions that you might have which can be helpful. Whether you're a tech enthusiast who enjoys complete control with unmanaged VPS hosting, or prefer the peace of mind that comes with managed VPS hosting, A2 Hosting has options to fit your needs and budget. With A2 Hosting's high performance, reliability, and strong customer support, both managed and unmanaged VPS hosting options make a solid choice for hosting your website. I hope you enjoyed this A2 Hosting VPS hosting review and tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more A2 Hosting tutorial videos.